Hi friends, very good morning all of you. So welcome back to CAP classes. How are you? I hope you are doing good. And today I'm here with very happy news to share with you that this CAP classes freebies whatever we have started day before yesterday, that is giving free access to 100% of the premium content what normally a student has to buy, spending 6,000 rupees plus GST per subject. So for group 1 accounting, costing, and then for group 2 advanced accounting, auditing, strategic management, financial management, all these subjects, 6 subjects, we started giving free. And within no time, within first 4 to 5 hours, we have got 1,500 registrations, and then we stopped, that Google form filling, and then after that also another 350 registrations I have done from the back end using the website, this mobile application. So I'm very happy that many students are going through these free classes, understanding the concepts, and I'm getting appreciation left and right. So many students, hundreds of students, they are texting me, sir, thank you so much, the classes are really good, I cannot afford, so this is really helping. So there are blessings showering. They are saying we'll pray for you, God bless you, sir. So I'm very happy. Having said that, there is one other side also. The other side is, just imagine handling 1,700 students registrations and their queries in the mobile app and this WhatsApp mobile and website left and right. We are having 3 things. 6 people are continuously working 24 by 7 on it for giving registrations and giving access to you. Not even a single query we have not attended. For every student we have attended. Personally, I am sitting and I am attending everything along with my team. Some of the students, they claim that they are not getting access for the classes, and they are taking it to social media, that YouTube comments, and some comments in the mobile chat also, stating that I am unable to get the access because of this reason, that reason, and I am giving 1 star for the app, I am uninstalling the app, and then this is only advertisement, this is just to make us pay the money, that this and all has happened. Only few students, okay, 3 or 4 students, not more. But actually what happens, even if one student negatively comments on YouTube or in the mobile application or in the Google, wherever it is, that unnecessarily creates noise to us. We are genuinely trying to help the people. Second thing is, it disturbs all other students also. I will tell you why access cannot be given for that 72 students. Yesterday also I told you there are 72 students to whom we are unable to give the access. Why? Point number 1, some students are filling the phone number 1234567890. Email, why do you want, at gmail.com. Don't ask me. All these are dummy names, dummy phone numbers, dummy email IDs. Boss, please try to use the common sense. If you do not give a correct phone number, how can I give access to you? Tell me. So I was very furious yesterday. I just wanted to cancel the whole program, but then I thought, for one bloody idiot, if I'm punishing 1,700 students, it is injustice. So we have started this project with lot of positivity, with lot of good intentions to help people. So one student should not disturb me. That is the reason I thought, okay, let it be, no problem. So there are so many columns which are filled wrong. And another thing is, I teach whatever the subjects, that only I can give free of cost. No, students are asking taxation, EIS, economics, which I do not have. I cannot give. So in the form also, I have given only these 6 papers. Now students, instead of picking these 6 papers, they are, giving the input, taxation I want. And again, same message will come. They are taking it to YouTube, they are taking it to website, they are taking it to this WhatsApp, and everywhere same query. I asked for taxation, it is not activated. Boss, we don't have tax, what to do? So that is what we are telling everywhere. So please try to understand, if the access is not given, it is not because of any fault either from the technology side or the team side or my side. If the access is not given, it is only because of the wrong communication or miscommunication by you. Okay, and one student, he has given his name Vivo7. Okay, and he is giving the email, I don't have email ID at gmail.com. All this is nonsense. Okay, see, please try to understand one thing. With your data, I'll not sell it to Facebook and I'll not buy a 4-bedroom property in Dubai. With your data, I never called any person for the classes. I do not have any telecalling team. We do not do WhatsApp bulk messages. We do not do bulk SMS sending. I have never done anything. And God is so kind on me. I will not do that also, because our goodwill and our name is enough. And I am telling you, if you want to attend FM classes, you have 100 faculty in India. It is not that I am the only FM faculty. There are 100 faculty. Similarly, if I want student, I have 100 students. Not a single student. So the world is big enough with a lot of opportunities. So spread positivity. Spread positivity. And another thing is, so many students, they have downloaded the app, they got the access to classes, but they do not know how to view the class in the mobile application. So they go to courses instead of batches. There are, various options at the end of when you open the mobile application. There are, batches, courses. So they go to the course, they go to the store, and then they see the video. 2 minutes free video will be there. After that, if you like it, you have to buy the class that will come. That is for paid students. I am telling you clearly, to every registration we told, go to batches. At the end of the app, there is one banner. There is batches. Click the batches. Then you will get the subject. Then go into that. Then people started, taking screenshots and sending to me. What next? Was 10 seconds of your patience. You just look at on the screen what the bloody options are available. There is one videos option. Click that. 730 videos access is given in all these 6 subjects. 730 videos. Not even one topic is missing. So just 5 seconds of your patience. Next, what next? What? 1,700 people queries if they are sending like this. How can we? Still in my mobile, I do not have even one message which is not answered. Every message I have answered, and completely got exhausted. Sometimes certain queries will irritate us also, but still, what to do? Please try to understand. And another problem is, if the student is really enjoying the class, they will not put it in social media. Sir, I am having access to classes. I am really enjoying your classes. Thank you, sir. God bless you. That will come to my mobile in a private message. Okay, so appreciation of 1,700 students is private, and these 70 students, because of the problems from their side, I couldn't give access. Wrong phone number, and then they say, I have 2 phone numbers, sir. This phone number I have given, this phone number is not there. When I am trying to give the access, my dashboard is saying this number does not exist. I have 2 numbers, sir. Sorry, this is my another number. What should I do? So the appreciation comes in private, and this kind of criticism is coming in public. So please try to understand, there is no wrong intention in this program. Absolutely free of cost. Classes are given to 1,700 people. And as per the system, 9,000 plus hours already watched. 9,000 plus hours. So please do support us when we are doing good things, okay? Otherwise, what happens if we take things to heart? We do not want this kind of thing. Same money, whatever I am spending on the support team and in the technology to give these free classes to you, same money if I put in Google Analytics, don't you think I'll get more advertisement? In Google Analytics also I can capture CA inter students. No? Don't you think we have enough infrastructure to do that, or we have enough technology to do that? Google Ads, if you put money, Google themselves, they'll call and they'll, whatever we say. If I want students from Bangalore, I'll get students from Bangalore. If I want CA inter students, I get CA inter students. Google will do that for us. Google will play with the data, not we. So if you are giving your correct phone number, correct email ID, you will not get a single call also. This data is required only for your activation. So please spread positivity. If you cannot spread positivity, at least don't criticize us. You do not know how to go to batches and you are looking at the paid courses. When we are giving free, why are you looking at the paid courses and saying price is so and so? I know that price is so and so. That is course. This is batch. So please try to understand. And my humble request is, if you are a student who is benefited with this freebies, if you are one among this 1,700 students across India, and we have registrations from Nepal and Dubai also. So many registrations are there from Nepal and Dubai. From North India, so many registrations are there. If you are one among this 1,700 students who is benefited because of this program, I request you to drop one positive comment in YouTube so that people will understand that this program genuinely is helping the students. I can turn off the comments. It takes 1 second of time for me to turn off comments in my website, to turn off comments in my mobile application, to turn off comments in YouTube. I can do it in a fraction of a second. But if I do that, I am turning something into negative. I am a person who's always optimist. So I want people to understand, that we are putting a lot of efforts and genuinely we are giving free classes to everyone. Everyone, irrespective of caste, color, creed, region, religion. I do not know who you are. I have never seen your face. You have never attended any of my class. But still, one message if you are dropping, Pawan sir, I want so and so class. Free access is given in seconds. If you are giving wrong data, what can I do? If you are asking taxation EIS, I do not teach that. I do not have that class. What can I do? So please try to understand this point number 1. Point number 2, some people are complaining about the advertisements coming in the app. So I would like to give you a 100% genuine, reason for that. Point number 1, please try to understand there is no monetization for the mobile application. My mobile application Cap Classes is not monetized. That means not even a single ad should come and I will not earn 1 rupee revenue also. YouTube or Google or Facebook, when your profile or account or channel is monetized, then only ads will come. I am telling you with all my consciousness, the reality is the mobile application is not monetized. Not even a single ad should come. But even I realize that advertisements are coming. Why advertisements are coming? Because the mobile application is integrated with our YouTube and other social media. So YouTube is monetized. So, and website. So when we are integrating different technological platforms into this mobile application, that is the reason ads are coming. Even we are trying to remove all the ads. Out of 730 videos, 700 plus videos we removed advertisement successfully. So still in 2025 videos, which are also given in YouTube for free classes. So we are unable to control how to do that and all, we don't know. But we are going into YouTube and we are closing the monetization there also. But it takes a lot of time now. Saturday, Sunday, people won't work. I am requesting my teams to work extra time. I am paying them extra and I am doing, my personal time. I am sitting on this and I am doing it myself. So we are not earning 1 rupee from that ads also. And that money which Indian YouTubers will get is peanuts, okay? Peanuts. For 1,000 views, we do not even get half a dollar. For 1,000 views, if 1,000 people are watching ad, we do not get even half a dollar. Half a dollar is bloody 30 rupees was. 30 rupees. So do you think, I will be interested in that bloody 30 rupees? So how many classes I take and how much I earn. So these are genuine problems. We are struggling to rectify. I continue doing good deeds. I continue helping the students. I continue giving this kind of free classes. If it is required before December examinations, another 1-2 days, I do not mind giving again classes free of cost. But if you do not know how to register, if you are giving wrong data, if you do not know how to watch, this video in the application, what can I do? Tell me, please. 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Just focus and be patient. Read what are the options available. Go to batches, go to videos. You can see uninterrupted n number of videos you have. Per subject, we have around 100 videos. In costing accounts, advanced accounts, we have more than 100. In auditing, we have 100. So please be patient and, utilize this opportunity. Spread positivity. Again, my humble request is, if you are a student who is benefited genuinely, who feels that these free classes really added value to your preparation, one, positive comment on the YouTube so that people understand that we are doing a genuine positive effort. So thank you so much for watching. Again, I am telling you, if it is required, I do not mind, doing this again for 1-2 days, but in consultation with the technical team, I need to speak a lot of resources, lot of efforts behind the scenes will be there. I'll speak with them. If I can give that again, I'll do that. Okay, so video classes are free of cost available. Test series free of cost available. MCQ tests free of cost available. Okay, so please utilize this in a proper way so that you can accelerate your preparation in your own interest. If you give single star to me in Google, and if you uninstall my app, will anything happen to me? Do you think anything happen to me? Do you think my bank balance will be reduced by 1 rupee? Do you think my emotional balance will be reduced by 1 rupee or 1%? No. I am matured enough to take things positively. But still, you do not know how to use the app, or you have given wrong data. Okay, so how can we activate your classes? So please try to understand. If you are a student who is benefited, one positive comment in YouTube, one positive comment and good rating in the Google, that helps a lot. Thank you so much, and I hope you'll enjoy this free classes and utilize this opportunity to accelerate your preparation. God bless you all. Thank you.